guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and as you guys can see, I have another Zara haul, which it's kind of crazy how quickly this whole Zara hauls have been escalating, because I have bought like 3 packages in a month and a half, and I had never ordered from Zara before. So I don't know if I'm thanking you guys again for making me try it again, because if you have missed the other 2 videos, the first one was a miss for me. I was not impressed with the things I got. The second time I found a lot of great pieces that I absolutely love, and now I ordered some stuff online. Even though the website still confuses me a little bit, I'm getting better at the website. Now we have accessories. I picked up some accessories that I saw on the website, and then also just a little outfit that literally everybody has and I've seen everywhere. I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to try it. And these 2 packages were around like $250, which Zara is taking a good chunk of my YouTube paychecks, so make sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe for more hauls, because yeah, this is the 3rd one and I literally cannot believe how fast this is escalating. But without further ado, let's just get right into this video. I wasn't supposed to film today, but I just got these and I was like, might as well, so here we are. I'm excited. I don't know which box is which, so. Oh, that's cute. I've never ordered online from Zara, so that's cute that they come in little like tissue with a sticker. Item number 1 are these shoes. So they come in this cute little like dust bag. This is what they come wrapped in. They were on sale. Little flats, as you guys can see, that come with a gold chain just attached to it like that. They're super cute, and they were actually on sale, and they were in a size 7.5. So I have seen other reviews talking about shoes. I have never ordered like shoes or flats from Zara, but somebody said they run small, so I did go for a 7.5. I'm usually 7 or 7.5, and there was a 7.5 left in stock, so I picked that up real quick. I paid $29.99 for these, and they were originally $49.90. I don't think they're on the site anymore, but this is the tag just in case you guys want them and can find them. I really like how they're not pointy. I don't like pointy shoes, so I'm really glad that they are like that, kind of like ballet looking shoes, but they're really cute with a super small heel. Okay, so next up, I quickly turned off the camera to try these 2 pieces on, and I absolutely love them. This is the basic set that I was telling you guys that everybody has. It is just this small cute tank top in this beige color, like this nudish color. Super cute, super soft, amazing freaking material. It is just so freaking soft. I got it in extra small and I paid $19.90 for it. I like how the extra small fits. Again, sizing for Zara is really weird to me still. Sometimes I'm an extra small, and even a medium. So I got it in an extra small, and I actually really like the way it fits. It's not too tight, but honestly, with this material too, I feel like it will stretch out a little bit. So once it does stretch out a little, it will be perfect. But it has an elastic, so it does have a nice stretch to it, but also a pull to kind of keep you sucked in, which I really like. So I'm happy with the extra small. And then I just picked up the matching cardigan, and now this one is in a small actually, because the extra small was sold out. Same color, it is cropped and then long sleeve. Again, same material, very soft. I love this. Like, I absolutely love this. I can understand now why everybody is raving about this, because the material is just so soft and it looks really cute together. And I paid $25.90 for it. This is it. And it just has buttons, so it buttons all the way up, but honestly, when you pair them together, I wouldn't want to button it up. It looks really cute just like that together. So love this set, really happy with it, and sizing is good too. I'm happy with the small for the cardigan and the extra small with the top. Box number 2 are the things that I was super excited for. So on box number 2, I picked up 2 new purses. Again, this package comes with tissue paper and a sticker on it. So I picked up 2 purses in this package. They come with their little dust bags. And I guess purse number 1, oh my god, this one is so cute. So if you guys have not seen my Louis Vuitton triple unboxing, definitely go check that out. It'll be linked in the description. But I told you guys I had my eye on the pochette accessoire, I think that's what it's called. I've been stalking the website for like 2 months now to find it. I wanted that one. I ended up picking up a different bag. I paid a little bit more for a different bag. Like I mentioned, it'll be linked in the description. Check that video out. But the pochette accessoire looks exactly like this size wise. The structure of it also is so similar. First time I saw it, I think I saw it on somebody's haul. I'm almost certain I saw it on somebody's haul. I went to check the website, it was sold out, and then just randomly one day I was like, let me check again, and then boom, it was in stock. It's not on the website anymore, I couldn't find it, but it is this leather mini bag. Look how freaking cute this is. I love the structure of this bag, how it's wider at the bottom and then goes skinnier. Looks like this. This is the handle, but you're supposed to do like this. It's a shoulder bag. That is the bag. I'll show you quickly. It is just such a cute small little bag like that. So it does look super similar, obviously without the Louis Vuitton logo and a different kind of material, but it's the exact same like size and style, structure, everything that I wanted in that bag. And this one was only $79.90, whereas the pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton is $840, so it's a good dupe. Here you guys are if you guys want to pick this up. It has a zipper closure. This is what it looks like. I don't really know if you guys will be able to tell. There is some pockets. I have the S20 Ultra from Samsung. Perfect. It fits in there, and there's definitely a lot of room left, and I like how it has the pockets to divide it, and it's just such a cute bag. I'm so happy I found this. It's just so cute. Alright guys, so next up we have this purse right here. I thought it was going to be very similar to the other purse that I just showed you with sizing and everything, but it's not. It's pretty different in size and strap wise. This is a shoulder bag and this is more of a handheld one. If I put it on my shoulder, it is super tight. Not comfortable at all compared to the other one. It is a nylon material. This is it. This is really cute. I actually love this for the pocket size Bath and Body Works like little sanitizers that they have. I don't have any at the moment, but this is literally the perfect size for one, especially now since we're always like walking around with them and we really need them, especially because we went back to stage 2 here in Canada, in Toronto. They're back on stage 2, so gyms are closed, restaurants are closed, everything is starting to close down again because we had a huge spike. I'm personally not from Toronto. I'm very close to Toronto, but my area is not on lockdown, but Toronto is on lockdown. So if you can go out, this is cute to have, just to have the hand sanitizer there and put other stuff in here. This purse is super tiny. I don't even think my phone will fit in here. So my phone fit, and honestly that's probably like, I can fit my keys in there and that's about it. It is very small. I don't like how it's a handheld one. I thought it was a shoulder one. So this one I will most likely be returning, and I paid $29.90 for this one. If you guys can get your hands on this one, I recommend this one so much more, although it is like $80 and this one is $30. Highly recommend this one. You can fit so much more things. It is a better quality in my opinion. I like it more than the nylon like fabric. It's too small, not what I expected. It's not going to be comfortable to hold, and for $30, honestly, I'm super happy with just spending the $80 on this guy right here. But okay guys, that is everything for today's video. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I just hit 8,500 subscribers, and that is insane. I'm getting closer to 10K. I'm so thankful. I'm so excited, and I cannot believe like we are 1,500 away from 10,000 subscribers. I'm just, you guys are mind-blowing me. Like the day that I'm filming this, we just hit, and I don't know guys, I just freaking can't believe it. We're almost at 10K. I'm so excited. I literally just like, I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, if you are not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Come join the fun. I do hauls, lifestyle, fashion, all kinds of different videos here on my channels, mukbangs also sometimes, and my boyfriend makes an appearance and he's super funny. We love him here on my channel. So yeah, if you guys want to be a part of that, definitely please hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!